Siya po yung tagahila po ng supply, siya po sa harap. Tapos ako naman po yung tagatulak sa likod po.
Marco, watch your head. Yeah, watch your head. Bring it around the side, guys.
Yeah.
Around the side.
Good job!
Marco, bring it around the side.
Stay here. Sa gilid daw, Marco. Uy, lumala.
Christian, hold on to it.
It will be really a long ride kasi kailangan namin ng supplies. Hindi talaga siya magiging madali.
Sir, Mary Beer, guys.
We got bananas, guys. Go. Guys,
After lang to.
start thinking. Well, one banana for everybody.
And it shows that we have a different side to us. We can be funny, but we can be serious when we need to. So for me, it was a big positive.
Matapos magtagumpay na makuha ang kanilang mga supplies, ano kaya ang naghihintay na hamon sa kanilang susunod na istasyon? Matapos makuha ang mga supplies, nalaman na ng housemates ang mga detalye ng inaakala nilang weekly task.
Housemates, upang manalo kayo sa inyong weekly task, kinakailangan ninyong makumpleto ang inyong misyon.
Kailangan maitaas ang bandila na ginawa ng housemates sa tuktok ng Taal Volcano. Ang bandila ay nasa loob ng bahay na bubuhatin ng housemates patungo sa dulo ng trail. May 3 locks ang bahay at mabubuksan lamang nila ito kapag matagumpay na magawa ang mga challenges na madadaanan nila sa trail. Para magtagumpay, kailangan nilang matapos ang misyon sa loob ng 5 oras.
Wait, let's see how many locks are there. There are 1, 2, 3 locks.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go, okay?
It was scary because you're gonna have to carry a house up a mountain in less than 5 hours. I was nervous. I had to be the leader and I had to lead my other housemates.
Now, girls behind the boys, girls behind the boys.
Girls, sa likod ng boys. Ate Mai!
Sinabi namin na ang mga boys ang magkakarga ng bahay at ang mga girls ang magkakarga ng mga supplies.
Turn.
Carry.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, turn. Up. Bamboo's turning,
Gaano
okay?
kabigat?
Alright, guys.
Tama lang.
Careful. Okay,
Let's out.
go.
Bigat.
Let's move.
Tama lang daw.
Girls behind the boys.
Go guys, go
Vibree,
guys.
one, you're leading up the back. Mai.
Dyan.
You're in front of Vibree.
Yeah.
And then Kisses, you know where you are. Watch your feet. Watch where you step.
Talagang challenging po, kuya. Lalo na po na makita namin yung daan pa ganyan po.
Pag ganun po talaga siya, sin pataas po. And then sobrang layo ng tuktok.
Offside and hold on.
Marco, hold on.
Marco, leave. On the left. Go, guys, move to the left.
If it was just walking lang talaga without yung bahay po, it's just walking, it's not hard. That was irritating because, like, come on, a house? We already did our house and now we have to transport our house? Oh.
Let's move. Always keep it even. Don't put too much weight on one side. You good, Marco? Yeah. Move a little to the left, guys. Christian, you're behind me, right?
Yeah. I think we should put this on our shoulders.
Alright, guys, pause. Alright, on the right side, guys, on the right side.
Makalipas ang ilang minuto, dumating na ang housemates sa una nilang obstacle.
1, 2, 3. Sit down. Down. Go with you guys.
First challenge. Line up.
Kuya, in the middle ng pag-aakyat po namin ng bundok, may nasalubong po kami na parang web po siya.
Alam niyo yung web? Ang web, hindi website.
It's one of those obstacles that you see in the movies, like during army movies.
Na kailangan ninyo isusot sa butas at may tawid ang bahay sa kabilang side na hindi sumasagi ang parte ng katawan ninyo sa tali o di kaya tumunog ang mga bell. Kung sakali magkaroon ito ay makukuha ninyo ang unang susi.
Checking yung kosi. Kosi nandun.
Nagsimula ng mag-isip ng strategy ang housemates.
Okay, you guys, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna pick him up. You're gonna put your legs through, Yona. Legs through. And then we're gonna push you over through, okay? Push you. Go. Push over, girl. Girl, come back. Go.
Naisip ko muna yung paano kuya. Teamwork na naman. Paano yan? Hindi ba ako tinignan bla yung ano.
Patayo muna.
Oh, Edward.
Yung ulo mo yung Ben. Guys,
Baba ang ulo yung. Balik.
Yung pagpasok ko, talon ko kuya. Pero okay lang. Walang sakit. Uno, Gindel.
Talo niya ganun. Bigla po siyang tayo. Tapos, next, sinasunod.
Ulit.
No, what is this?
Ulit. Di ba ako nag-give up kuya? Ganun pa rin.
Gets mo na.
No.
Wait.
1, 2,
When we get
No, no, no.